Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for coming here. I'm going to create a lot of interesting content about AI, investing, AI in our personal life, AI at work, medical AI. I'm just really interested in research and I spend a lot of time researching things on my own. But with Google Pro or Gemini Pro that I've been using deep research on and NotebookLM, it changed my life drastically to before and after. So now I can actually do research while I'm at the gym or while I'm at work. I can just create what I'm looking for, and the AI is doing research for me. And why I'm so obsessed with research is, well, my first my first education back in Russia was in sociology. And for 5 years, our professor put it into our head that, if you make any kind of statement, you have to make sure you have data to back it up. So I don't say something until I'm actually doing research, about it. So I know it might be annoying sometimes for people to hang out with me when they say general statements, but I'm not for everyone and not everyone's for me. So stick with me. You will see a lot of interesting things on this channel. Sometimes I'll be recording videos with my own face, sometimes with just NotebookLM based on my research. Very colorful presentation. As you can tell probably from my videos, I really love purple. And I'm also thinking about creating a digital AI that will be doing some of the videos for me, just because I have a very busy life with work. So yeah, we'll see. Thank you so much for joining, and stick around, and we're gonna talk about a lot of interesting things. I appreciate you.